Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for Environmental Studies for Standard 4, Unit number 13, that is a reverse journey. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with MCQs. First one, from where does a river originate? It's option number B, from the mountain. Second, which vehicle can move in a river? It's option number D, boat. Third, water of which of the following is drinkable? It's option number B, of a river. Fourth, which of the following will change the color of water when added to it? It's option number C, milk. Fifth, which of the following substances does not dissolve in water? It's option number A, sand. Sixth, due to which of the following reasons does water get polluted? It's option number D, all of the above reasons. Seventh, which of the following birds catches fish from a river or a lake? It is option number B, an egret. Eighth, which of the following substances does not mix with water? It's option number C, oil. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the river completes its journey when it meets the sea. Second, children make paper boats and set them sailing in small puddles during the rainy season. Third, many times when there is very heavy rainfall, there is a flood in the river. Fourth, river water is sweet whereas sea water is salty. Fifth, waves are seen in the sea when it is tide. Sixth, India's largest river, which is also considered holy, is the Ganga. Seventh, the largest river of Gujarat is Narmada. Now question number 3, true or false? First one, there are rivers in each village. It is false. Second, aquatic creatures die due to water pollution caused by industrial waste. It is true. Third, it is our duty to keep river water clean. It is true. Fourth, water of rivers that originate from mountains is colorful. It is false. Fifth, lake water is cleaner than river water. It is false. Sixth, there are ebbs and tides in the sea. It is true. Seventh, most of the rivers meet some sea. It is true. Now question number 4, match the following. First one, the sea, it is option number E, is known as Sagar or Samudra in Hindi or Gujarati. Second, a river, it's option number D, flows along turning and twisting pathway. Third, a lake, it's option number A, in a village gets filled up during the rainy season. Fourth, a puddle, it's option number B, is a pothole filled with water during rainy season. Now question number 5, distinguish between river and sea. Rivers originate from mountains. A sea is formed by the collected water of many rivers. River water is sweet and drinkable. Sea water is salty, full of minerals and not fit for drinking. Third, it is useful for farming and irrigation. It cannot be used for farming or irrigation. Fourth, river water flows into the sea. It does not flow continuously. Only waves are formed in a sea. Fifth, a river can dry up. A sea can never dry up. Now question number 2. Look carefully at the picture of the river. Read the words given below and use them to write 10 lines about the picture. The river started out from the mountains. Pure water can be seen from there. Villagers get clean water to drink and for other uses. Boats are used for transportation. The environment is clean there. There are many fish, some aquatic plants and bushes in the river. Oil and other chemical waste are being discarded from the factories. Dirty water from the houses is thrown into the river. River water turns dirty and harmful. Fish and aquatic vegetation cannot be seen after that. Now question number 6. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, state the resources of water. The resources of water are rain, spring, that is streams, rivers, wells, lakes, ponds, etc. Second, what is the color of water from where the river begins? The water is colorless and clean at the place where the river begins. Third, is the water from the sea drinkable? Why? No, the water from the sea is not drinkable because it is very salty. Sand and many types of salts are mixed in it. Fourth, are there any changes in their water during summer, rainy season and in winter? Yes, water level decreases a lot during summer. During winters it is medium high and during the rainy season it is the highest. Fifth, what are the different kinds of aquatic animals found in the water of a river or a pond? Aquatic animals like fish, frogs, water snakes, turtles, etc. are found in the water of a river or a pond. Sixth, what kinds of birds come to a river or a pond? Birds like ducks, egrets, lapwings, storks, cranes, etc. come to a river or a pond. Seventh, how is drinking water cleaned or purified in your house? Drinking water is cleaned or purified by AquaGuard or a water purifier in my house. 8. Find out different ways of cleaning or purifying water at home. First is boiling, second one is straining through a cloth, third is adding a chlorine tablet, fourth is with an AquaGuard or any other water purifier. Ninth one, from where does a river originate and whom does it finally meet? A river originates from a mountain and finally meets the sea. 10th, where does rainwater that falls on the ground go? Rainwater that falls on the ground goes deep into the earth or flows into a gutter, a lake or a river. Water that reaches a river finally flows into the sea. 11th, when do rivers get flooded? When it rains very heavily, rivers get flooded. 12th, why does river water get polluted? When dirty water of residential areas and industrial waste is poured into a river, the water of the river gets polluted. 13th, what happens if polluted river water is consumed or drunk? Diseases of the stomach, diarrhea, vomiting and dysentery are caused if polluted river water is drunk. 14th, in which ways is river water useful? River water is useful for farming, irrigation, drinking and other household needs. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer the following questions. First one, at some places there are many fish in the river, at other places there are only a few and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. At the place where people do not stay near the river, the water is pure, so there are many fish there. At some places near the river where people live, they throw a lot of waste and pollute the water. And at places where chemical waste from the factory have dissolved in river water, the fish are dead. Second, what could be done to keep rivers clean? Discuss. Clothes and utensils should not be washed in river water. Second, cattle should not be bathed. Third, river banks should not be used as toilets. Fourth, sewage water, liquid and chemical waste of factories and industries should not be discarded in rivers. Now question number 3. River water is not salty but sea water is salty. Why? As the river progresses, salts and minerals from the soil dissolve in its water. It finally reaches the sea. During summer season, sea water turns into water vapor and evaporates, so the salt is left behind in the sea. Since this has been happening since ages, sea water has become salty due to increased amounts of salts in it. Fourth one, have you ever been near a river or sea? When? Last year we had gone to Somnath during the vacation. We had gone to the beach there. A river flows through our city. There is a riverfront built on the banks. We have visited this place many times. Fifth one, what happens when there is a flood? When there is a flood, the water of the river overflows its banks and enters the surrounding fields, villages, and cities and causes a lot of damage. Sixth, have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Where? Yes, I have seen dirty water in a river and pond. I saw the dirty water of the lake near my uncle's house. People used the place as a toilet. Women washed clothes and cattle bathed in it. So the water had become dirty. Now question number 8. Give reasons. First one. Rivers are known as Lokmata. Man chose riverbanks to start living a settled life in order to progress. Water for sustaining life is easily available from a river. Rivers provide sufficient water for drinking, keeping ourselves clean, cooking, and other household purposes. Water needed for agriculture and industries is also easily available from a river. Thus, rivers are known as Lokmata. Second, polluted water of industries should not be poured into rivers. When polluted water of industries is poured into rivers, the clean water of the river becomes dirty. When such dirty water is consumed, diseases are spread. Moreover, aquatic creatures like fish, etc. also die due to polluted water. So, polluted water of industries should not be poured into rivers. Third one, lake or river water of a village or a city does not remain clean. People living in a village or even in a city wash their clothes, clean their utensils, bathe their cattle, defecate and throw rubbish in lake or river water. Due to this, lake or river water of a village or a city does not remain clean. Now we'll see the activities. In the activity, you can see a table. The things are given and you need to write whether they can dissolve in water or did not dissolve in water, and the color of water changes or it does not change. So you can see the table and complete in your workbook. Now the other activity is collect the pictures of the water bodies mentioned below. Stick their pictures here and write each name. So you can see the names and the pictures of the water bodies, and you can also stick the same kind of pictures. Now we'll see the HOTS questions. First one, which water flows continuously into a sea, thus keeping it filled at all times? It's option number C, water of rivers. Second, what happens if polluted river water is drunk? It is option number D, one falls sick. Third, what is useful for farming and irrigation? It is option number B, a river. And here we come to the end of chapter number 13, a river's journey. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.